Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Chevy Traverse and I will show you how to remove and replace the license plate light bulbs. This video should apply to first generation of Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now probably the easiest way to do this is just partially open the lift gate, and that way you don't have to get into awkward position. What you will need like a small flat screwdriver or ideally the plastic trim remover. You will insert it right here on this side and push this assembly towards the right side, and then you will just lower it down and it should pop right out. Okay, now to remove the bulb from the light assembly, you just have to turn this black socket counterclockwise. These wires are kind of short, so you have to be kind of careful here. So we just want to turn it. And here is the bulb. Now to remove the bulb from the socket, you just pull it straight out. There is no twisting or anything like that. And that's it. When you're installing the new bulb in, you will just insert it in, and then you will install this socket back into the light assembly and pop it back in its place. Also, it's a good idea before installing back the assembly, just make sure that the light works. So turn on the lights, make sure it actually works, and then put back everything together. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.